Hello, scientists. Today we're going to explore some solids and liquids that I have in my kitchen. We are going to decide if you can see through the solid or liquid, if you can kind of see through it or not see through it at all. Let's get started. So I have a couple items I pulled out. We'll start with this teacup. So when looking at this teacup, look at it carefully. I'm going to put my finger behind the teacup. All right, now I'm not going to show you. My finger's behind the teacup. Can you see through this teacup? Can you see my finger behind it? Can you kind of see my finger behind the teacup, or do you not see it at all? Thumbs up if this cup is see-through so that you can see my finger. So that would be a thumbs up if you can see my finger behind the teacup because it's see-through. Thumbs across if you can kind of see my finger behind the teacup, but not clearly. And thumbs down if you can't see my finger behind the teacup at all. All right, if you gave it a thumbs down, you're correct. This teacup is not see-through at all. Next, I have, I have this fruit wash that I use, this fruit and produce wash to clean my fruits and vegetables. I am going to put my finger behind this fruit wash, and I want you to decide if you can see through this liquid. There's a liquid in this bottle. If you can see through this liquid clearly, if you can kind of see through this liquid or not at all. Remember to use your thumbs. Thumbs up if you can see through this liquid. Thumbs across if you can kind of see through the liquid. And thumbs down if you can't see through the liquid at all. All right, my finger's behind it. What do you think? If you gave it a thumbs up, you're correct. This liquid is see-through. You can see through it. All right, I have another item I want to share with you. Here's a sheet of wax paper. I'm going to put my finger behind the wax paper. I'm doing it now. Can you see through the wax paper clearly? Do you see my finger clearly? If you do, give it a thumbs up. If you can kind of see my finger through the wax paper, thumbs across. And if you can't see through the wax paper at all, thumbs down. All right, if you gave it a thumbs across, you're correct. You can kind of see my finger through the wax paper. Nice job. All right, I have more items that I'd like to share with you. I took out a measuring cup. Here's a solid. I'm going to put my finger behind the measuring cup. Is it clear? Can you see my finger through the measuring cup? Is it kind of clear, or you don't see my finger at all? Put your thumbs up if you can see my finger, if it's clear. Thumbs across if you can kind of see my finger. It's kind of clear, but not so clear. And thumbs down if you can't see my finger at all. This measuring cup is not clear at all. Great job. If you gave it a thumbs down, you're correct. You can't see through this measuring cup. I have another item I'd like to share with you, this glass of milk. All right, I'm going to make it a little bit challenging. Before I put my finger behind this cup of milk, I want you to take a guess. Do you think this milk is see-through? Do you think it's kind of see-through or not see-through at all? Take a guess, and let's see if your guess is correct. Now I'm going to put my finger behind the cup of milk. Do you see my finger behind the cup of milk? Do you kind of see my finger behind the cup of milk? Or do you not see my finger at all? Show me with your thumbs. Great job. If you gave it a thumbs down, you're correct. This is not see-through at all, this liquid. Milk is not see-through. All right, I have another item. I have a banana. Take a guess. Is the banana see-through, kind of see-through, or not see-through at all? All right, I hope you made a guess. Let's find out. I'm putting my finger behind the banana. Can you see my finger behind the banana? Can you see through this banana? If you can, give it a thumbs up. Can you kind of see my finger behind the banana? Give it a thumbs across. Or if you can't see my finger behind the banana, thumbs down. All right, if you gave it a thumbs down, good job. Let's try with another item. I have white vinegar here. It's in a bottle. I'm going to pour it into a different glass cup that I have. All right, I have this clear glass jar, and I'm going to pour the white vinegar into the clear glass jar. There we go. All right, can you see? Take a guess. Is it see-through, kind of see-through, or not see-through at all? All right, let's try and see if it's see-through or not. I'm putting my finger behind the vinegar. Can you see my finger? So is the vinegar see-through? Is it kind of see-through or not see-through at all? All right, if you gave it a thumbs up, yes, vinegar is see-through. Well, I hope you enjoyed this exploration. You can try this at home by asking permission from a trusted adult at home, and I hope you have fun exploring solids and liquids. Have a great day.